This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Notch, your advisor with NYU Grad on Thursday, August 7th. Let's jump right into today's market. Pretty active red session to the downside right now. I'm recording this at 3 p.m. New York. The Dow is down 332 points or 0.75%. The NASDAQ is down 50 or 0.25%, and the S&P is down about 0.4%. Taking a quick look at complexion before I go into breadth. It's getting harder and harder to breathe at the top of the mountain. We are overbought by any metric, PE, whatever metric you want to look at, the Warren Buffett ratio, indicator, you name it, RSI, stochastics, we're overbought. But it doesn't mean we're going to turn south because we're overbought, but it's just getting harder and harder to make profits here. Now, unless something changes the last hour and someone tweets something, I don't expect much change. But as of right now, we had 515 new highs on the NYSE versus 175 new lows on the session. 39% advanced versus 56% declined. 39% of stocks were below their 50-day moving average, and 42% were below their 200-day moving average. Looking at mega cap, everything is red except for Apple, which is still on its bull run after yesterday's presser in DC with Trump and Tim Cook. The pledge to manufacture all the glass on iPads and iPhones through Corning in Kentucky, and hopefully bypassing some of these tariffs is putting some wind in Apple sales. But Microsoft is down 1.1. Nvidia's a nothing burger right now. Google's down 0.75%. Amazon is down about 0.5%. Tesla's down 0.8%. And Meta is down 1.25%. Looking at sectors, yesterday, the fact that consumer defensive outpaced the entire market until the last 10 minutes and was the number one performing sector and outcompeting or outpacing technology was the clue. I mentioned yesterday that was very curious to me, and today we're having a broad sell-off. Utilities is leading today up 1%, basic materials up 0.75%, consumer defensive up again 0.6%, real estate up 0.25%, technology marginally down 0.1%. The leading sector to the downside is healthcare, down 0.9%, financials, which is not good news, down 0.8%, industrials a little bit over 0.5%, and communication services and consumer cyclical down about 0.5% as well today. Taking a quick look at profitable NASDAQ companies making new session highs, you had 18. That was all for the most part in the early session of the day, but you had names like NVIDIA, Palantir, Cisco, Broadcom, and DoorDash all making new highs. Many of these names have been on this list every day, so they have been in bullish phases here. As I noted, the Warren Buffett indicator or the Wilshire 5000 to GDP ratio chart is as high as ever.
That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.